review video of the week for the week of January 18th through the 22nd. Of course, we do not have school on Monday, January 18th. So we are finishing up our government projects, right? I know that those were due technically on Friday. And you can see here, it looks like in science, we're kind of shifting back to science now and leaving social studies and focusing on the types of rocks and learning more about the rock cycle. However, if you look at Tuesday, you will see that I have given you guys one extra day to complete your government project if it was not completed on Friday. If, however, you completed that project on Friday or over the weekend, then you have time to enjoy to yourself, or you can use that time to complete other work. Now, moving back into science, Wednesday, Thursday, and Friday, we are going to read pages 191 to 197 in your science book. You are going to print this interactive notebook page talking about the different types of rocks. You're going to watch this teacher video, and Mrs. Miller, who formerly was Miss Peterson, formerly, and now she is married, so Mrs. Miller will go through and talk to you about the types of rocks. On Thursday, let's take a look here. You are actually going to cut out the bottom portion of page 191 after you read 198 to 199. Sorry, I think I said 191. I meant 199. That's a picture or a diagram of the rock cycle. You're going to glue that into your science notebook. You are going to trace arrows that show melting in red, trace the arrows that show heat and pressure in green, and then trace arrows that show the weathering and erosion in brown. And finally, on Friday in science, you are going to read pages 177 to 183 in your science textbook. You do have a page that you are going to print. It is on the properties of rocks, and in this video, Miss Curry goes through and she discusses the different properties. And I know that in the beginning of her video, there's a slight glitch, so as soon as you start the video, you may want to pause it so that you can see how this should be cut out and glued into your science notebook, as well as filling out this first category right down here on the bottom that she is discussing in the video. Let me know if you have any questions about science this week, and I hope that we can see the rest of those government projects. I know that you've been working